Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this glam with the Colourpop by Toy Story collection palette. We're going to be starting off by using the shade Infinity, and I did not set my concealer for this, you guys. We're just using a big fluffy brush to apply this on our crease, and make sure you guys keep packing some more product on there because you want this to be as dark as possible. While we're packing some more product on here, as you guys can see, I'm only using tapping motions, and the reason why I'm doing that is because we want the product to stay exactly where it is, whereas if we were to be doing circular motions or side to side motions, we would be smearing our concealer, and we do not want to do that because remember you guys, we didn't set this. So after we apply the product we want, we will be buffing the shade out a little bit, and as you guys can see, I'm doing circular motions only at the top because I want that color to look smoky at the top. Remember to just take your time with the blending, you guys. It's a process, but if you take your time, it will come out nice and smoky, and be patient with it because it can hurt your hand sometimes. While I finish this up, I just want to take advantage to tell you guys, I know I haven't been here in a long time. Those of you guys that are new, welcome. I just wanted to tell you guys I will be posting a lot from now on. I have a few videos lined up, so if you guys stay up to date, I will be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays every week. Next, we're going to be applying the shade Saddle Up, and we're going to be putting this right on top of that darker shade, and we're going to be applying this in circular motions. Since the darker shade is already blended out and it looks a little smoky, it makes it easier when we go in with this shade. Try applying it in small tapping motions and then little circular motions so that the two colors blend together. And don't be scared just because the color on the bottom starts disappearing. It is okay because we will be going back and applying more product after these shades. If you guys are interested in seeing a specific color, let me know in the comments down below and I will gladly film a video for you guys. Remember ladies, the more you blend, the better the effect. Also, if my voice sounds a little bit funny, you guys, it's because I'm a little sick. I kind of woke up with like my nose kind of blocked and I'm talking kind of funny, so excuse that. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade Since 95. And this is like a very light neutral shade. So we're going to be going in with this fluffy brush and we're just going to be blending that on top of the other shade. But just try not to cover the whole thing. We want to apply each one of these colors in their own little spot. As you guys can see, both colors are mixing a little bit at the top. And don't worry, like I said, if any of the other shades start disappearing, we will be going back to apply some more product. Now I'm going to be going back in with the shade Saddle Up again, and I'm just going to be buffing some more product on there again, just so we can darken it up all over again. I really like these new palettes that Colourpop has been bringing out lately. I just got the Disney one from Tangled 2, and I'm working on a video for that, and oh my god, you guys, I love the shades so much, and the collections, they're so cute. Oh, now we're going to be going in with the shade Infinity again, and we're going to be packing some more on there. Try not to go too high with this shade, you guys. Remember, it's darker, and if you go a little too high, you might mess up the whole eye look. Make sure you're doing some circular motions towards the top. That way, it can start blending and looking a little smoky. So, if you guys have made it this far into the video, make sure to comment down below your favorite Toy Story character. And that's how I will know you guys have watched this far into my tutorial. I love doing this because every time I see you guys' comments, I get excited because I'm like, oh, they watched it all the way through, or at whatever, up until whatever time I let this message onto the video. But yeah, you guys, comment whichever character is your favorite. It could be Woody, it could be Buzz Lightyear, it could be whichever one. Comment below. Now, as soon as we're done with this blending, we're going to be going in with the shade Rex Flex. And you guys, this shade looks like a green in the palette, kind of like a holographic green, but it does not look green on your eyelids when you apply it, and I learned that after this video. But you guys are gonna see right now when I start applying it, it gives different, like a different mixture of colors. I thought it was going to be like a greenish at least, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to take a flat brush and grab some of that color. And if you guys want a brighter effect, make sure you guys spray that brush after grabbing some product with some setting spray, and that will help it intensify the shade. So see you guys, I'm just gonna be applying this all over my lid, even if it gets a little bit onto my crease, because I'm gonna want to blend those colors a little bit together so it doesn't look like it's just on there. But see, you guys can see that it doesn't have like a lot of green onto it. Like here and there in the light, it'll look a little green, but not really. Now I'm just taking a makeup remover towel and I'm just going to be wiping away all that extra product that fell. And as you guys can see, I am shaping that outer corner into like a cat eye. And it's very easy with those little towels. So now I'm going in with this matte liquid eyeliner that is waterproof by Italia Deluxe. It is my favorite, you guys, like my favorite eyeliner. And I'm just going to be applying this really quick. As you guys can see, this is the technique I like to use to do eyeliner. I like to measure it by the side of my eye where I'm going to draw my line. And then I just follow along. Maybe later on I can show you guys some tips on how to apply eyeliner. If you would like to see that, please comment below so that I know that you're interested in watching that video. Now I'm going to be going in with some mascara, you guys. This is my favorite. It's from Rem Beauty. And oh my god, you guys, this leaves your lashes super long. Well, this is my second favorite. My first favorite, I think, is Level Up by Colourpop. I love that mascara. I just use that one and it leaves my lashes super long. So we're only going to be applying one coat of this so that it can blend in with our falsies. And these are the lashes I'm using, you guys. They're actually from my brand. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing them online. Just look at the link down below and it'll take you directly towards the lashes. I kind of forgot the name. But I will show you guys in the link below. Not me struggling with these nails. You guys, this is the longest nails I've had in a very long time. And oh my god, you guys, I struggle so much with my makeup when I have these on. But anyways, this is the finishing look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, stay tuned for the next videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. This is what it looks like. I will give more details in other videos, you guys. I'm a little rusty because it's my first video in a long time. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.